Parlez-vous anglais? Mark lives in the country with his parents. His parents have a farm, but Mark doesn't work there. He works in a town near the farm. He doesn't like physical work. Every day he gets on the bus and commutes to a local restaurant. He is a cook there. He starts at 8 a.m. and finishes at 4 p.m. Most of the day he prepares food for the customers of the restaurant. When he has nothing to do, he cleans and tidies up his workstation or chats with the waiters. In the future, he wants to open his own restaurant at the bottom of the ocean. Where does Mark live? Mark lives on a farm. Does Mark work on a farm? No, Mark doesn't work on a farm. Does Mark like physical work? No, Mark doesn't like physical work. Where does he work? He works in a restaurant in a town near the farm. How does he get to work? He gets to work by bus. What does he do? He is a cook. What time does he start work? He starts work at 8. How long does he work each day? He works 8 hours each day. What does Mark do in the restaurant? He prepares food, cleans and tidies up. Who does he chat with? He chats with the waiters. Where does Mark want to open his restaurant? He wants to open his restaurant at the bottom of the ocean. Bye, guys.